Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are interested in engineering design, innovation or technology related topics, then you are in the right place. So please do subscribe. So if you guys have watched my previous videos, then you guys might have noticed me showing the rendered images at the end of each session. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create these rendered images. Before we learn how to render, let me please give you a brief of what is rendering or what is it used for. In very simple words, rendering is used to create a photorealistic image of the part or product design you have created using SolidWorks or any other kind of CAD software. So today we'll be creating a part of this assembly, that is shaft, which is present here. And after creating this part, I'll be showing you how to create the rendered image of this part. So let's begin. Open SolidWorks, go to File, click New, select Part and then click OK. Now set the units in millimeters. After that, select a plane, make it normal and click on Sketch. So first we'll make a circle. Now go to Smart Dimensions, click on that. We'll give the dimension that is 10 mm. Okay, now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss. It's a very simple part to create. Now here we'll give the length 200 mm. Now click OK. Alright, now click on this, select these edges. In order to select both the edges at the single time or in a particular time, click and hold on the Control button from your keyboard and then select both the edges. And now from Features, select Chamfer. So the chamfer option is not available directly, it is inside the fillet option. So inside Features, go to Fillet. There at the bottom of Fillet you can find an arrow, click on that and then you will find the chamfer option. So select chamfer and in chamfer type select the distance and angle option, the first one. Okay, so here select tangent propagation and in distance give it 1 mm and in angle give it 45 and now click OK. Okay, we got the chamfer. Now select this surface and then click on Sketch. Now again I'm gonna create a circle here. Now using Smart Dimension, we'll give the dimension as 14. Alright, now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss. And instead of sketch plane, I'll select offset. And the offset distance is 70. Okay, so as you can see, the offset is created in the opposite direction of the actual offset which I want. So I'm gonna change the direction from here. Alright, now in direction 1 give the dimension 10 mm. Alright, so that's it, we got our shaft ready. Now I'll be showing you how to render this shaft. So here I have the render option already available in the same line of the sketch and features, but in case if you don't find this, you can go to SolidWorks add-ins and then click on Photoview 360. Okay, once you click Photoview 360, depending on the system that you are using, it may take few seconds to a minute to get the render tool appear here. So once you get the render tools here, click on render tool. Now, as I have told in the beginning of this video, rendering is used to create a photorealistic image. So in order to create that photorealistic image, you'll have to first edit the appearance. I'm telling you the basics, okay? First you'll have to edit the appearance, then you'll have to edit the scene, and then you can edit the lighting and all those things from here, and you can also select the quality of the render and all those things. After all these basic things, you can create the final render of the part. So I'll show you. First thing to do is to edit appearance. So click on edit appearance. You can either select edit appearance from here, or else you can just click on that globe like icon from here. You can click on either of them to do this. So from here, as you can see, you can select the color you want to give, like this. Okay, in edit appearance you can either select a color, or as I have told you, you can just click on this arrow here. So you can see there are a lot of other options available, like if you want some metal like finishing, then you can select the metal, rubber, glass, anything that you actually what suits your material, suits your design, you can select. So here I want a metal actually, so from the appearances, instead of color, I'm gonna select metal, and I'm gonna select steel. Just click on that. So different options of steel is available, so I'm gonna select from this polished steel. Just click on that, drag it and bring it to the part. Now here you have some options, like once you have dragged it, you can make it for the complete body, or you for the boss extrude only. So I want it for the complete part, so I'm selecting part. Okay, see, I got the material applied, so my appearance is done. So after selecting the appearance, next thing to do is to edit scene. So to edit scene, again, either you can edit scene from here, otherwise you can do it from here. I'm gonna click here. Now after appearance, just below that you have the option edit scene. So inside scenes you have different options again, like basic scenes, studio scenes, presentation scenes. Depending on the part, you can select the scene. So here I want the basic scene. Just to show you, I'm gonna select, I want this scene, okay, with this blue background. So I'm just clicking on it, click and drag it. See, that's how it looks like. Now in order to change, you just have to repeat the same thing. Okay, I will go for this 3-point faded. Alright, that is fine for me. Okay, now the next very basic thing to do is to go to options. So go to options from here, click on options. So here you can select the ratio of your output image, and there are many other basic options available. That is, like, you can select the default image path. That means you can select the folder where you really want to save your final image. Okay, you can set it from here, and other options like render quality is available here. If you go for the maximum, then the time taken to create the render image will be also maximum. So even with good, you will get a good quality output image. And after all, it depends on your system also. There are other options like gamma, which is basically related to the lighting. You can set it from here. And if you want some condor or cartoon kind of rendering, you can select it here. Yeah, I think that's the very basic things. Here you can also select the image format you want. Like if you want PNG, JPEG, or any other option, you can select it from here. Okay, these are the basics. If you really want to change it, then you can change it from here. Otherwise, leave it as default. Now click OK. Now once you're done with options also, now I think I'll show you. Okay, we'll go to integrated preview. What is integrated preview? If you click on integrated preview, then it will take few seconds to load. It will be showing you like how your final render is gonna be looking like. Okay, see. So at this moment, if I create the final render, this is how my part is gonna be looking like. If you change the direction, or if you disturb the part using the mouse, then it again takes few seconds to load. That's how it works. Okay, that's it about integrated preview. Similarly, there is something called preview window. You click on that, a separate window appears showing the rendered view. Okay, alright, there is nothing much. Again, there is another option called render region. That means you wanna create the rendered image of a particular region only, then you can select and adjust it from here and create the rendered image of that part, that particular area only. I'm gonna show you using the preview window. I have selected only this particular area. So let's see how it's gonna look like in preview window. And that's how it's gonna look like. Okay. Alright, other option that is available is schedule. You can actually schedule your render once you have done it. Just click on schedule render. and you can give the name, and you can save file. The location you can select here. Location means the location where you want to save your image, and you can set the time, date and all those things and leave it, so this will get rendered by itself. Okay, now once you're done with all those things, then you can click on integrated preview. Again, I'm clicking on integrated preview just because I want to create the final render. Okay, so click on integrated preview. I just want to see how it is gonna look like, if this view or angle is right for me or not. Yeah, this angle for this part is looking good, so I want to create it in the same way, create the final render in the same view. So if you're happy with this with the angle, then leave it like that, or else if you want to change the direction or the view of the product, then you can, using mouse, you can change it like this. Okay, I'll leave it like this. Alright, now click on final render, and then we get our final render ready here. Yeah, once we get our final render ready, then we can save it from here by clicking on save image and give the file name you want to give, and then click on save. So that's how we create the render image of the part. If this video was helpful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos, and hit on the like button also, and do let me know your suggestions in comment box. I'm Deepthi Matthew. Thanks for watching.